Ever bite into a burger and think, dang, this is something wild? Today I'm firing up something legendary for backyard grillers, BBQ Bison Burgers. Lean, juicy, and packed with bold, smoky flavor. Let's get rustic and a little adventurous. First up, ingredients. Grab 1.5 pounds of ground bison. It's leaner than beef, but twice as rich. You'll need a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, and a good grind of black pepper. 4 slices of sharp cheddar, half a cup of smoky BBQ sauce, and 4 buttery brioche buns. Don't forget butter or oil for toasting. And if you're feeling fancy, caramelized onions, lettuce, tomato, pickles, or even crispy fried onions. Now let's get those hands dirty. In a big bowl, mix your ground bison with all those seasonings and Worcestershire. Don't overwork it, just enough to bring it together, then form 4 thick, even patties. Remember, bison's lean, so treat it gentle if you want it juicy. Fire up your grill or a cast iron skillet, get it smoking hot. Give it a brush of oil if you need to. Lay down those patties and listen to that sizzle. 4 to 5 minutes per side gets you right at medium. Don't go past medium well or you'll miss out on that wild flavor. Cheese goes on in the last minute so it melts into every nook. While those burgers rest, butter up those brioche buns and toast them on the grill until the edges are crisp and the centers are still pillowy soft. Trust me, it's worth it. Time to build. Brush the burgers with smoky BBQ sauce while they're still hot. Stack it up. Bun, lettuce, your cheesy bison patty, extra BBQ sauce, whatever toppings you love, and the top bun. Slice that bad boy in half. Let the juices run and see what real backyard bragging rights taste like. Grill wild, eat well, and don't forget to subscribe for more bold BBQ adventures. Now go out and make your own legend, one burger at a time.